Hello, my name is Autumn Stoll. I am a food safety extension educator with the University of Minnesota, and in this video, I will briefly explain water activity and how it pertains to food safety. Water activity is different from moisture. Moisture measures the total water content of a food item, while water activity measures the free, unbound water in food. Unbound water can interact with and support foodborne illness and spoilage-causing microorganisms. Lowering water activity reduces the free water available to these microorganisms. Water activity is measured on a scale from 0 to 1. Some common ways to lower the water activity in foods include physically removing the water, for example baking or boiling, or adding sugar or salt to the recipe, which binds to the water, lowering the water activity. Here we have raisins, jam, bread, and cookies. Each of these foods, when processed properly, have low water activities and are shelf stable. Water is removed from these raisins during the drying process. The sugar used in this jam recipe binds to water molecules, maintaining moisture in the food, but reducing the amount of unbound water. The bread and cookies have been baked, which removes water. These products also include ingredients like sugar and salt, which binds to the water molecules, reducing the amount of unbound water, lowering the water activity. I hope this brief overview of water activity helped you learn a little bit more about how to lower the water activity of your food at home and why it is so important for food safety. For more information, visit the link in the video description. To learn more about testing the water activity of your food at home, view the next video in the series. Thank you for watching.